Alright guys, 1993 Yamaha PW80 oil injector block off kit. Pump right here. Watch my other video, showed you how to remove it, install the block off kit, teach you how to bleed your oil pump if you're going to use that. Now we're at a point where everything's on, carburetor's on. I already made the adjustments. I have my pilot mixture screws set at 1 3/4 turns out. I believe I ran before. I've been using this Spectro 2T 2-cycle injector premix lubricant. Really good stuff. Been using this in all my 2-strokes lately and haven't had any problems. So we're gonna run this one 32 to 1, mixing at 1 gallon. It's 91 octane, about 3/4 of a gallon 91, and about 1/4 of a gallon of T4. So kind of bump up the octane a little bit. Like I said, 32 to 1. I believe this is what I was running on his race bike before. I don't know if I'd want to go any leaner, like 36 or even 40 or 50 to 1. That might be too lean. So we're going to keep it at 32 and see what happens. Okay, go ahead and drop this oil in there. So biggest thing with 2-strokes is you gotta know how to do your oil right. So you want to mix it accordingly. You gotta have a ratio cup so you know how much oil you're pouring in. You're not eyeballing it, and you want to try to get as much of that oil in there as you can. I pour just a little bit over 32, just a little bit, because for time's sake I want to sit here and drain all this oil exactly. So with all of it in there, figure that should be 32 to 1. Once that drains the residual or whatever. So now we'll go ahead and put a cap on and we'll shake her up. If you want to, you can kind of pour a little bit of gas back in there, shake her up, pour her back in. It's not going to hurt anything. Put a little bit of extra oil in there for good measure. Alright, got about 1 gallon of gasoline. Let's go ahead and shake her up. Get all that oil mixed around. Alright, good. Should be good. Jerry rig set up to an auxiliary tank. This is how we'll be testing her out.